Hi there, and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken in the Ninja Foodi. This can be made with chicken breast or chicken thighs. So I'm going to show you how to do it either way, and then whenever you have this made, you can make all sorts of great recipes with this chicken. It's easy to freeze for later too. So let's get started with this super easy way to make Ninja Foodi chicken. So the first thing is the ingredients. All you're going to need for this is boneless, skinless chicken thighs or chicken breast, and then 1 cup of water, and then we'll use the wire trivet that comes with the Ninja Foodi. You'll also want to use your pressure cooker lid for this part of the recipe. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and place the wire trivet into the pot of the Ninja Foodi. It can be placed either in a low or high position. It really doesn't matter either way. So once you have this in the pot of the Ninja Foodi, go ahead and pour the 1 cup of water right into the foodi. Now that you have that done, it's time to place the chicken in the Ninja Foodi. So you can use either chicken breast or chicken thighs. The only difference will be the cook time whenever we go to cook it. So go ahead and add that in. Make sure it's boneless and skinless. So you can fill it up as much as you want just to fill that wire trivet. Don't layer it at all. Just lay it flat on the trivet. And then go ahead and secure the pressure cooker lid. Once you have this lid secure, you're going to move the nozzle to seal. And then you're going to go ahead and cook on high pressure. Now, if you're using chicken thighs, you want to do high pressure for 12 minutes. And if you're doing chicken breast, go ahead and do 10 minutes. The key here is that the chicken needs to be at least 165 degrees internal temperature. Remember when you're ready to get the chicken out to do a quick release, so you move the nozzle immediately to vent once the timer goes off. Quick release the steam, and then you can remove the lid. You can move it to a bowl and then use 2 forks and shred up that chicken. You're going to want to shred it up really nice. It should be super easy to shred. So as soon as you get that shredded, at this point you can either use it for another recipe or you can go ahead and freeze it in the freezer. If you freeze it in the freezer, be sure to use freezer-safe storage or bags. I usually use freezer-safe Ziploc bags and just freeze it in my freezer. Now, what can you use this for? Well, the great thing is that this chicken is super versatile, so you can use it for a variety of recipes. Some of them I've already shared on YouTube. I've shared all of these on my actual blog page too, but I'm going to link to the recipes down in the show notes too. But a few of them are chicken noodle soup. You can use this with chicken taco soup, chicken tacos, chicken nachos, burritos. You can add barbecue sauce to it and use it for barbecue chicken and then load those into a baked potato. There are a million different ways you can make this, but it gives you your chicken all ready to go. So that way, whenever you're ready to make soup, for instance, if you do Ninja Foodi chicken taco soup, it's going to be ready in just 4 minutes and you'll already have the meat ready to go. So it's not going to take long at all. And I will go ahead and link to that as well. The one I'm going to link to is actually for beef taco soup. I haven't got the chicken taco soup up yet, but the only swap you'll do is instead of using beef, you'll just use that cooked chicken and chicken broth. So I will put all that information down there too. I hope you enjoyed learning how easy it is to make chicken in the Ninja Foodi with chicken breast or chicken thighs. This recipe and many more are all on my website at mommyhatescooking.com.